3, 2, 1,
Recording.
go. Anyway, let's go na.
Good morning, everyone. We're here with my team, the Conquerors. I'm Hazel Lim,
Ladies Royale.
My name is Mike Lim.
I am Ben Lim.
and we're having this morning discussion as siblings and coworkers.
You were from the banking industry. What made you decide to try this path sa real estate?
Yung field ko nga, for everyone's knowledge, I took up financial management, so very far from real estate. As it's a back-end job, more on financial analysis siya. What made me decide to shift industry? Siguro kasi seeing you.
Wow.
Seeing my brother Mike Lim. Every time na may family gathering, talagang ano siya. Mas fulfilling, I think, yung feeling as a sales agent, although yung misconception, ang hirap or nakakahiya. Pero yung whenever I see you, pag gathering, uy, tara, sige, kita tayo anytime, kahit anong oras, sabihan ka lang, available ka. Pero since I was in a corporate environment, talagang fixed yung hours ko, tapos laging hindi ako pwede. It came to a point na medyo stressed out na yung feeling. I remember you telling me na, ba't stressed ka na? Parang dapat ang work, dapat masaya ka. Think about it, tsaka ka mag-decide. So, I tried real estate for a while dapat, pero ang nangyari, I'm going on my 3rd year and rewarding and fulfilling nga talaga. Whenever I get to find yung right unit fit for yung budgets ng client, nakakatuwa talaga.
Thank you.
So since you mentioned that this is your 3rd year in the real estate industry, through the process of making your first sale hanggang sa yung most recent, obviously meron mga rejections dyan. So how did you handle the first rejection?
Hindi siya exactly rejection, more like nag-isip yung kliyente ko, wait lang, pag-iisipan daw muna. I took it as a chance to know more about the product. Kasi ang naisip ko nun, hindi ko yata nasagot yung hinahanap niya. Hindi ko na-explain kasi parang sabi niya, sige, babalikan kita. Tapos hindi na niya ako binalikan. So, ang inisip ko, either chinek niya muna kung talagang gusto niya yung project or hindi ko siya na-convince na yun yung magandang unit or magandang project. Every rejection, of course, medyo minsan may aray, pero I take it as, okay, nag-iisip pa siya. And kung at least now, nasasabi ko na kung may tanong pa, just let me know. Kasi syempre, mahabang process yung pagbili ng condo units or ng properties. Ngayon, I try to address as much concerns as possible.
So sa akin naman, yung tanong ko, ano yung mga advice mo sa mga bagong agents, kagaya namin ni JD, para mas maging hardworking, para mas gana kami na magstay sa real estate industry?
Yung pinakamaganda yung tanong niya. Sa akin kasi, we all know yung time flexibility ng work natin, diba? It's a very demanding job. Pero kahit kailan mo gustong mag-off, pwede. Kumbaga, set mo lang yung schedule mo na ayoko mag-work ng Monday or mag-leave ako for 3 days, magbabakasyon ako. Pwede yon as long as isayos mo yung accounts mo, yung ads mo, basta schedule mo lang, pwede siya. So, para sa akin, kung gusto nyong tumagal sa real estate industry at ma-enjoy yung time flexibility na meron tayo, i-push nyo lang na magbenta nga. I mean, if you want to stay here longer, work harder here longer. Kasi ako, gaya nga ng sabi ko kay Sir Mike, sana I'd be able to save enough to start my own business kasi ayoko nang mag-corporate ulit. Not that it's not good, pero yung gusto ko na yung mas flexible hours. Yung kumbaga mahaba talaga yung 8 to 5, yung kumbaga I want to spend more time with the family na rin kasi.
Nice.
Nice.
Thank you!
Till next time.
Bye!
Love it.
Maganda ba yung
Sunod-sunod. Maganda.